Originating as a timber industry professional in the Pacific Northwest, William Edward Boeing transitioned his love for aviation into the establishment of a truly iconic company. In the initial stages, challenges emerged with low demand and the swift progression of technology. However, a significant turning point during the onset of the World Wars set the stage for an unexpected transformation that would define the trajectory of Boeing's life. This is the story of Boeing. William Edward Boeing's story is integral to the foundation of the Boeing Company. His life story is one of ambition, innovation, and timely opportunity. Born on October 1st, 1881 in Detroit, Michigan, Boeing was the son of Wilhelm Boeing, a German immigrant, and Marie Ortmann from Vienna, Austria. Wilhelm immigrated to America in 1868, but his father disapproved of his move to the U.S. With no financial support, he initially worked as a farm laborer. Later, he made a fortune in the lumber industry. However, fate dealt a sudden blow, and Wilhelm passed away, leaving behind his wife and 3 children. William was the oldest and just 8 years old, but by that time his fortune in the lumber industry was more than enough to later play a critical role in William's career. William's early life was characterized by a robust education. He attended the Sheffield Scientific School at Yale University, but he left before graduating to explore business opportunities in the booming timber industry of the Pacific Northwest in 1903. This decision led him to Washington State. Here, his familiarity with wood and success in the lumber industry would soon intersect with his burgeoning interest in aviation. Boeing's aviation journey began in earnest after attending an air show in 1909. Captivated at the sight of a manned flying machine for the first time, ignited a passion within him. Denied numerous times the simple joy of an airplane ride, each rejection fueled a relentless desire for flight. He started taking flying lessons and went as far as to purchase his first airplane, a Martin TA Hydro airplane. His dissatisfaction with the plane's performance and the maintenance issues he encountered prompted him to consider building his own aircraft. He was convinced he could build better, and in 1916, in a small Seattle workshop, alongside his friend and Navy Commander George Conrad Westervelt, Boeing made that dream come true when they built the B&W seaplane, an amphibious biplane with outstanding performance. Though they may not have known it at the time, this marked the birth of Boeing's aviation enterprise. Together, Boeing and Westervelt formed the Pacific Aero Products Co. Despite early challenges such as limited market demand and technological hurdles, Boeing persisted. This adaptability laid the groundwork for Boeing's later success. It also established its founder as a pivotal figure in the history of aviation. The foundational years of the company were marked by innovation, expansion, and adaptation to global events, especially the World Wars. In 1917, the company was renamed the Boeing Airplane Company. When the United States entered World War I, Navy Commander George Conrad Westervelt saw an opportunity to expand the business and pushed William to apply for government contracts. The company secured government contracts to produce training aircraft and seaplanes for the U.S. Navy. This led to the development of the Model C, Boeing's first production aircraft. The war effort significantly boosted Boeing's production capabilities and laid the foundation for its future growth. The post-World War I era presented new challenges. The sudden end of military contracts and an oversupply of cheap military surplus aircraft forced Boeing to diversify. The company ventured into making furniture and boats while continuing to innovate in aircraft design, focusing on mail transport by air and experimental models. This period saw the creation of the Model 15, which became the primary U.S. pursuit plane until 1927. World War II marked another phase of expansion for Boeing. The company played a crucial role in the war effort, It produced bombers like the B-17 Flying Fortress and the B-29 Super Fortress. These aircraft were critical to the Allied forces and solidified Boeing's reputation in military aviation. After the war, Boeing faced the challenges of transitioning from military to commercial aviation yet again. The company foresaw the potential of commercial air travel and began developing aircraft to meet this new demand. This transition marked a significant shift in Boeing's business strategy. It led to the development of the Model 307 Stratoliner. This was the first pressurized cabin airliner. In turn, this laid the groundwork for the development of the iconic 707, which revolutionized air travel by introducing jet propulsion to commercial aviation. These developments mark the beginning of Boeing's dominance in the commercial airline industry. Boeing was not the first to introduce jet propulsion to commercial aviation, and although late to the jet age, during the mid-20th century, Boeing emerged as a key innovator in jet technology and commercial aviation. The introduction of jet technology to the Boeing aircraft marked a transformative period for the company. In 1958, the debut of the Boeing 707 jetliner revolutionized commercial air travel by significantly reducing travel time and enhancing passenger comfort. Suddenly, air travel was within reach for almost everybody. This innovation cemented Boeing's leadership in commercial aviation and spurred further advancements. The 1960s and 1970s saw the introduction of the Boeing 727, 737, and 747 models. The 747, in particular, known as the jumbo jet, became an icon of commercial aviation. This aircraft was renowned for its size and range and opened up international travel to the mass market. At the same time, Boeing played a vital role in the space race and defense sector. The company was a major contractor for NASA and contributed to projects such as the Lunar Orbiter program and the Space Shuttle program. Boeing's defense division developed and produced a range of military aircraft. These include bombers, fighters, and reconnaissance planes. Boeing still plays a crucial role in the U.S. defense strategy, as it did during the Cold War. Global expansion was a key focus for Boeing in the latter half of the 20th century. The company pursued growth through partnerships, acquisitions, and by navigating international competition. Notably, Boeing acquired rivals such as McDonnell Douglas in 1997. This further consolidated its position in the aerospace industry. This period also saw Boeing expanding its operations and sales efforts globally, building relationships with airlines worldwide, and establishing manufacturing and service facilities in various countries. This era of advancements, diversification, and global outreach not only solidified Boeing's status as a leader in the aerospace industry, but also set the stage for its future endeavors in an increasingly competitive and globalized market. In the 21st century, Boeing has continued to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the aerospace industry. The period was marked by significant technological advancements, strategic business decisions, and challenges reflective of a dynamic global market. Technological innovation has remained at the forefront of Boeing's endeavors. The company has introduced advanced aircraft models such as the 787 Dreamliner and the 777X. The 787 Dreamliner, notable for its fuel efficiency and use of composite materials, represents Boeing's commitment to environmentally sustainable technology. The 777X features the world's largest turbofan engines and folding wingtips. As such, it showcases Boeing's ongoing pursuit of cutting-edge aviation technology. Boeing's business strategies have evolved to adapt to the changing dynamics of the global market. The company has expanded its service offerings, including maintenance, training, and logistics. It recognizes the growing demand for comprehensive aviation solutions. Additionally, Boeing has faced intense competition from other aerospace giants, notably Airbus. This has necessitated strategic market positioning and innovation to maintain its market share. The 21st century has also presented significant challenges for Boeing. The company has navigated through periods of economic downturns, shifts in geopolitical landscapes, and changing regulatory environments. One of the most notable challenges has been the grounding of the 737 MAX following two fatal crashes. This crisis highlighted issues related to aircraft design, software, and regulatory oversight. Extensive reviews and revisions in Boeing's approach to aircraft safety and development followed. Boeing has had to adapt to rapid technological changes within the industry. These include the increasing importance of digital technology in aviation and shifts towards more sustainable forms of air travel. In response, Boeing continually innovates and adapts its business and operational models. Today, Boeing's performance and outlook in the aerospace industry are shaped by its financial health, recent projects and innovations, and strategic initiatives. Financially, Boeing has faced challenges and fluctuations in recent years. The grounding of the 737 MAX fleet and the global COVID-19 pandemic significantly impacted its operations and financial standing. Boeing has lost money every year since 2018 and has been profitable only in one of its last 9 quarters. In 2020, the company posted an annual gross profit of negative $5.6 billion. This represents a 224.6% decline from 2019. But the outlook has steadily improved, with the 2020 figures showing a 15.78% increase over the previous financial year and coming in at $3.53 billion. In terms of recent projects and innovations, Boeing has been actively engaged in several key areas. The company has resumed deliveries of the 737 MAX after thorough safety enhancements and regulatory approvals. Over time, it aims to restore confidence in its best-selling aircraft. Additionally, Boeing is progressing with the development of the 777X. This model represents the next generation of wide-body aircraft and is exploring new frontiers in aerospace technology, such as unmanned vehicles and space exploration. Strategically, Boeing is focusing on recovering from the setbacks it has faced. The company is spending time and money to improve its safety practices and corporate governance. The company is also strengthening its commitment to sustainability. It aims to make flying more environmentally friendly through innovations in fuel efficiency and exploring the potential of alternative energy sources. Boeing's future in the aerospace industry appears cautiously optimistic. The company's position as a leading aircraft manufacturer provides a strong foundation for recovery and growth. However, Boeing faces significant competition, regulatory challenges, and a rapidly changing industry landscape, driven by technological advancements and evolving customer demands. Boeing's ability to adapt, innovate, and maintain high standards of safety and quality will be critical in determining its success in the coming years. Boeing has consistently been at the forefront of aerospace innovation and industry leadership. From its humble beginnings as a small Seattle workshop to becoming a global behemoth in aviation and space exploration, Boeing's journey is a remarkable display of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Despite facing significant challenges in recent years, Boeing's resilience and commitment to innovation, safety, and sustainability suggest a future still rich with potential. The company continues to navigate the complexities of a rapid evolving global market. Its legacy and ongoing efforts ensure it remains a key player in shaping the future of aerospace and air technology. Boeing's story is marked by soaring achievements and turbulent challenges. It is not just a corporate chronicle, but a reflection of the ever-changing landscape of human aspiration and technological advancement.